Now let's consider this question over here. It says that add the fractions below. And as you can see the topic, we have addition of unlike fractions. The first one we have over here is 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4. Now, to add two or more fractions, first of all, you have to make sure that they have the same denominator. Over here, the 3 and then the 4 are the denominators, but they're not the same. So we can't just go ahead and then just add them like this. 2 plus 1 is 3, and then 3 plus 4 is 7. No, this one is not how we solve it. We have to find the LCM, or we have to make sure that the 3 and 4, or these two fractions, have the same denominators. And to do that, you must know the LCM of the denominators. You must know the LCM of the 3 and then the 4. Now, the LCM, if you solve it, you are going to get 12. If you don't know how to get the LCM, I also have a video on how to find the LCM, so you can check that one out. But some people can also multiply the 3 and then the 4 to get the LCM, but it doesn't work in all instances. Sometimes if you multiply, the number that you get might not be the correct or the actual LCM. First of all, you have to make sure that they have the same denominator. Since we know that the 3 and 4 have a denominator of 12. Now, let's go ahead and then take the first fraction, which is 2 over 3. So 2 over 3. And now we equate it to the LCM that we have get. So you're getting the 12. So you just put the bar over here and put the LCM over here. Now, you just ask yourself that this 3 over here multiplied by what number will give you 12. So we want to find a number that we can multiply by this 3 to get 12, and 3 times 4 is 12. So when you multiply 4 by 3, you're going to get a 12, and this 4, you send it up here and then also multiply it to the numerator. Now we have 2 times 4, and 2 times 4 will give us 8. So now the first one, we've had 8 over 12, but we are not done. So let's put this one, let me mark it. Now we then come and take the second fraction, which is 1 over 4, and then the same thing, you bring your equal sign and then you equate it to the 12. So you just ask yourself, 4 times what number will give you 12, or what number multiplied by 4 is going to give you 12. Now we know that 4 times 3 will give us 12. Now over here, 1 times 3 is 3. So now we have 3 over 12 and then 8 over 12. So 8 over 12 plus 3 over 12. Now, as you can see, we now have the same denominator. So we can go ahead and add it. But over here, the denominators were not the same. So we just have to solve and then make their denominators the same. And now we have the same denominator. Now, if we have the same denominator, we just choose either one of the denominators, and then so they are the same. So don't add the 12 plus 12, no, just choose one and then add the numerator. So 8 plus 3 will give you 11. Now we have 11 over 12. Now 11 over 12 is your answer. Now let's use another way to get the same answer. Okay, now let's use this way to get the same answer. 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4. Now, as I said, before you can make the denominators the same, you have to know the LCM. What if you don't know the LCM? What if in a test you are in a hurry and you don't know the LCM? This is how we do it. Now over here, 3 is the denominator over here and 4 is also the denominator over here. So now we have 3 and then 4 as the denominators. Now what you do is that take the first fraction, which is 2 over 3, and then go and take the second denominators, the 4, and then multiply the 4 by the numerator and then the denominator. So I'm going to multiply this 4. The 4 belongs to this fraction, so 2, and then let me extend this one. So 2 times 4 and then here times 4. 2 times 4 is 8, and 3 times 4 is also 12. Now put this one there and go and take the second fraction, so 1 over 4, and then over here I'm going to take the second denominator. I'm going to take the first denominator and then put it on top and then down over here. So I'll multiply it. 1 times 3 is also 3, and then 4 times 3 is also 12. Now we have 3 over 12. So we take 8 over 12 and then 3 over 12 and then add it. So 8 over 12 plus 3 over 12, which will give us 8 plus 3 is 11, and then over here is 12. So now we have 11 over 12. So this is how we can also use another way. If we don't know the LCM, we just take the denominators of this one and then this one, and then we can use to multiply. So we use the 3 to multiply the 1 and the 4, and then we use the 4 to also multiply the 2 and 3. The second one is 7 over 10 plus 1 over 5. Now we must find the LCM before, because 10 and 5 are not the same. So if you just go ahead and then add 5 times 10, you can go ahead and get your answer. But 5 times 10 will give you 50, which is not the LCM. The LCM of 5, the least common multiple of 5 and 10, is 10. The LCM is not 50, but it's 10. So now, knowing the LCM, we just take the first fraction, which is 7 over 10, and then let's equate it to the LCM. So we just ask ourselves, 10 multiplied by what number is going to give me the 10? So we know that 10 times 1 will give me 10. So I'll put the 1 here and also put the 1 here. 7 times 1 is the same as 7. Now I'll put this one there and go and take the second fraction, 1 over 5. And I'll equate it to the 10 again. And then I'll ask myself, 5 times what number will give me 10? 5 times 2 will give me 10. Now the 2, I will put it at both the numerator and the denominator. 1 times 2 give me 2. So knowing this one, 7 over 10 plus 2 over 10. Now over here, the 10 and 10 are the same, so I can just choose one, and then 7 plus 2 give me 9. Final answer is 9 over 10. Now what if we don't know the LCM? How can we get the answer? The first thing you are going to do is that you are going to take the 5 over here and use it to multiply the 7 and 10. And then after that, you're also going to take the 10 over here and use it to multiply the 1 and then the 5. So it will be something like this. I'm going to take this 5 over here and I'll multiply it by the 7 and 10. So 5 times 7 and also 5 times 10. And then I'll bring the plus sign, and I'll take this 10 to multiply the 1 and then the 5. So 10 times 1 and then 10 times 5. Over here, 5 times 7 is 35, and then 5 times 10 is 50, plus 10 times 1 is 10, and then 5 times 10 is 2 is 50. As you can see, now we have the same denominator. You can only add the fractions when they have the same denominator. Now we have the same denominator, which is 50. So we can just choose one of the 50s, and then 35 plus 10 is 45. So this is your answer. But this one, we can simplify this one. I have also done a video on how to simplify fraction. So if you don't know how to simplify fraction, you can also check that video of mine. Now 45 over 10. 5 times 9 is 45, and also 5 times 2, sorry, 5 times over here is 50, not 10. So 50. Now 5 times 10 will give you 50, and then 5 times now give you 45. So now we have the same 5 and then the 5 here. This 5 can cancel this 5, and now we have 9 over 10. As you can see, in the second way, we didn't know the LCM, but we have just breaking it down to get the answer. So this is how, or the more you try your hands on them, you can be able to master the two ways on how to add unlike fractions. Thanks again for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel.